All right. All right. What's up, team? So overall, another. It was another. I'll say another chop fest. This really didn't hold. As you can see, Spy try to. Let me remove these lines a little bit, so because I don't need them anymore. Let me see. All right. So wasn't really a lot of action. Look at these wicks, right? So from yesterday, we thought it was gonna open higher off this candle. We did have a 10 change, but as you can see, this candle didn't even peak any price range on top of this red candle. So it basically straight rejection, brought it down more. Now tomorrow, we I think we're in the clear. I think the data, let me just double check mine. It's Thursday and Friday. Well, if I'm not mistaken, let me see, Wednesday. Yeah, we don't got nothing tomorrow. So let's see what the market brings us. We could get a fade into a rip in from here. So I will watch this low of this candle to see if we could bounce. Now, if we break the low of this candle, obviously we could test the lows of today's. So I think if we do sell off hard, I think we start bouncing around 448. If not, we could open 450 and try to shoot higher, but overall, the market tried to give us a glimpse of hope yesterday, shut it down today. It really wasn't because in all reality, we closed lower. So, yeah, like I said, we got to see what the market's going to give us. Let me look at ES real quick on the daily to see what it dictates. Might tell us something different than what SPY is doing on the daily. Okay. Okay, so here ES looks stronger. Um, it looks like we could bounce off of here and then start moving higher. So, and this looks good too. At least it's 10 changing. Yeah, we know the bear's been in. Yeah, whatever. Um, I like how we trying to build a pivot higher here, not visiting lows. So, yeah, we could possibly bounce tomorrow. I don't know. We could definitely finally see some strong upside move. So let's see. So watch that. Let me put the level on alerts real quick. Sorry, gang. Okay, so this is the level that I want you guys to watch tomorrow to see if we bounce. So it's for 46.80 or so. Okay. Now, if we go long, we sorry about that. If we go long, I'll say above here. I'll go long on SPY above that. So 450, let's say. 450.80 breaks. I'll go for 452. We was there a few days ago, 452. So that's actually where the wick is of that red candle that I was talking about earlier. So we're gonna watch those two areas tomorrow. Now let's talk about the cues. So yeah, you see the cues kind of held the thesis that I was looking for on, that I'm looking for on SPY to do. You see how the body um right here held on this candle, and look, it matched it here. So that's what I'm saying. If the buyers hold, then we should go higher. So again, I would just watch this area lows on the cues. This will be the low. Right here will be 371.60. Goes under, you could short it. Longs. Honestly, I think it's safe to go long around here. I'll watch this level for a sneaky entry on the kills. So we'll watch this 373, 95 on the kills. Yeah, we got, excuse me. Like hell. Now we got ERs in play. So let's see what happens. We still got a whole bunch of ERs coming in. So we could see some finally a good move. Like they're ranging us. You could see it clear as day. They just want to range trade us. Like this been well since the drop. Yeah, we've been here for already 4 days. They've been range trading us for 4 days. So they're not really trying to give us a lot of price action. So when things like this happen, gang, I want you guys to think of it. All right, the market's been chopping for 1 or 2 days or 3 days, or like last week, it chopped for like 4 days. Stay away from SPY or Qs. Just go to the regular equity names. Those have more of a chance to giving you a directional trade than these guys that just want to kill your options and with the gamma and time decay. So this is a recipe for that. They're just chopping us. So tomorrow we could see some good price art. Let's see. Because we haven't got $6 really from SPY. I mean, this day was probably the most, but there was the big move was the pre-market. It was bloody red and then it sold off a little, but let's see what we got. All right, let's talk some names. Let's talk some names. All right. So Health is doing good today. I played Merc. Merc was doing good, and then it just gave it all back, basically. So I took like a 35-40% loss on that trade. Um, I thought it was gonna keep pushing because Novak was doing good. What else is doing good? The Eli Lilly flush we was all talking about in the morning in Zoom. That one went crazy. So I thought it was a rotation, and Merck had all the recipe to go, higher. It was off a great buy zone on the monthly and almost 3 month, but it didn't rip for me. So tomorrow I'm gonna watch AZN to see if this one was lagging today. Let's see how it looks on the daily. AZN looks good on the daily. It looks like it wants to do some gap fill activity. But AZN got sold off hard from ER. If you guys remember, this was ER date, if I'm not mistaken. What is this? No, this was not ER. Damn, they gapped down from here. This was ER. Oh, I knew that was rep for ER. I was just looking at the red candle. So this was ER. They did get sliced down, but it didn't really drop hard. It respected the support. Then after that, it slightly went up, but there was no price action, chopness. And then it went down, but it bounced right off the 200, which I like. And now we're cracking the 50. So I'm going to watch AstraZeneca to see if we see some continuation on the upside. Maybe they get some news. That'll be great. But this looks good. The Mac is already on the positive side, so that's good. And it's very extended. This white line. You know what? I should change this white line. Hold on, guys, because it could definitely get lost within the bars. There's purple right here. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, very extended the MACD from trying to even curl down. So this looks good for some upside tomorrow. Let's watch this one. I think that's the only one I got in health. I really didn't like what Merck and Novaks did to me. So yeah, oh yeah, one more. This one actually Alert sent it out. I don't know if anybody caught it from Alert, but this one went off. So BioMarin went from 89 to 91.5 right now. Look at the stick it put in today. So the alert was valid. If you got in, congrats. If not, we could try to get in tomorrow. So I'm gonna watch for another continuation, possibly to test the 200. So I think I'm gonna put an alert around here to watch it tomorrow for a nice bounce entry. Even though I think 91.70. Let's do 45 to see what happens. Because right now it's saying that it's at 91. Wow, that's crazy. That's exactly what I'm looking for. 91. No, not 91. I need 90. I wanted to pull back a little to give us an entry. Sorry, 90, 45. All right. If it pulls back there, basically the highs of this candle, maybe it will try to bounce around the wick. But yeah, I'll take the 91 calls if it pulls back on the 91. I think we're good for it. This looks great. This looks good too. Everything's upside. All right, okay, so this one is ripping after hours. I don't know why. So let's just watch it tomorrow. Never even played it, so this will be a first. Let me see what strike prices they have before I even talk. Oh, forget it. It's too far. They only have 17. So they have 16. 17.5. I'm still gonna talk about it. Let me see how it looks on these charts. All right, let me see. It's up after hours. Looks bearish here. The staying that is at 1575. So it's saying is around here somewhere. Whoa. Okay. You know what? I'll still watch it. If anything, I'll take next month's expiration. So you know what? I'm gonna still watch it. I'm not gonna miss the play if it hits. But I'm gonna watch this zone right here to see if it cracks with power or hold to try to get out of this resistance. If it gets out of there, then I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. If it gets out of there, it could definitely go to at least uh yeah, 1680. Let me see what's the high of this candle, this boner candle here. This joint went all the way to 1770 or so. So yeah, I'll watch this one. These indicators is not looking good, but I'm going off the price action right now. So let's look at that one. What else we got? Vimarin, every LMT. Let me see why LMT looked interesting to me. Okay, nice consolidation here with buyers on LMT crashing against the volume profile line. Okay, it's already crossing, but it's not showing strength. Okay, this looks good. All right, so LMT breaks resistance around here. So let's just lower this alert right here. So we gonna watch LMT at 452.70 to try to long it. Try to go upside on LMT. If LMT complies, you guys could look at RTX, Raytheon. I wrote it wrong. Isn't it RTX? Am I bugging
Yeah,
out?
it's RTX. RTX.
Right? What the hell?
There you go. That's the first one.
Oh yeah, look, RTX has a nice double bottom, kind of clear and more neat than LMT in my opinion. So I'm gonna I'll add this one as well since we're watching LMT. So 730. All right. Yeah, look, it looks good. Look, it's just crossed. See how this one has the kinks still straight up. LMT had a kinks to the downside, so that's why this one looks cleaner than LMT in my opinion. So yeah, we could watch both. I'll watch both of them. Why not? They're related. What else? What else looks good? Game. What the fuck I got game here? Game. Game. Should you watch closer? Let me see. Game. Basto Investments. 1643. So this is already all right. So this one is another after hour kind of mover. I mean, once it breaks to 200, I think it flies more, in my opinion. So I'm gonna do 65 to be safe. Small account friendly. Let me look at these indicators. Okay, looks good. Could be this just the start of the move, given with this. Yeah. So we get above like how the hell did my alert get all the way down there? So yeah, like I was saying, we get above the 200, we crash the 13.5 area. All we really gotta worry about is this resistance area, which is gonna be 1365. And then this is another level, 1380. So I just gotta clear this 13 area, and then we could definitely see 14 possibly on this one, but it looks strong too. Let me see. And is holding a trend line from the base. Yep, we got multiple touches. Yeah, I like it. Put that alert. Um, H&R block. Okay. I haven't played this one in a while. And H. See how it looks on the daily. Ooh, nice. So we broke 200 with strength today. This looks good. This looks good too. Yeah, everything looks like it wants to. There's a little cup and handle right here. If y'all can see this. Nice little cup and handle, and it already broke. This was the actual handle. And it already broke out today. So yesterday was the day to get in this one. So we got H&R block. This is gonna probably reject around here. So we gotta wait till we break that. So I'll put an alert here. Or 65. 3565 H&R block with ERs approaching as well, team. Hasbro, right? Barbie. All I hear is Barbie this, Barbie that. Let's see, Hasbro. Yeah, so Hasbro did get a little hammered on earnings, right? But it didn't really sell off hard. So it's reclaiming resistance around here. So we looking for a wick fill. That's what I'm looking for. So we got Hasbro currently at 65, 68. So once we get in the wick area, I definitely want to watch it for the wick fill price. So I'm gonna do 35. I believe they got half prices or dollar strike prices. I'll check. When the lure hits, all right. So Hasbro looks good. This looks good. And this looks good too.
Hey,
So,
Cam, check out Mattel since you're on the Barbie kick. I
okay.
just went over to Mattel since you were talking about Hasbro. That thing looks very interesting, brother.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Mattel looks good too.
A really nice channel.
Yep. It's been trading in a tight channel, bro. Almost the same thing. You could look for a wick fill. Look at this wick.
Break that flat. Fill it
Yep.
up. Right?
So the sneaky entry will be right here. And then I'll add once we start breaking higher. That'll be my play. We'll move on that one. Yeah, Mattel looks good, man. Good eye. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, let me see. What else we got? Hasbro, Mattel, TJX. I see why TJX looked appealing. Okay, hammer candle and resistance. That's good. I like that. Nice double bottom. Maybe start turning tomorrow. All right. I will watch TJX near the body. That would be my opinion. So let me go over here. It's 47. Sorry, 87.10. So go long on TJX. Another one with ER approaching. So keep that in mind.
That inner day is a straight V-shaped recovery, bro. I'm looking at this thing on the 5 and 3. That candle that they pulled off today is like a straight 45-degree angle up.
Yep. Yep. And then
Those
look,
sellers,
because
bro.
of the wick, that
Yeah,
the buyers just swoop, butter
right
up.
off, right off the 21.
That's yep. Cisco. Let's see why Cisco looks good to me. Cisco low key been climbing. Another one trading in a channel like, yeah, I like this one. Once we break this area of freaking wicks, I think she goes, man. So let's do a watch entry on this bad boy right here. I would like to get let me put 45 because I know they got half calls. So you might want to get that one before it rips in there. But Cisco looks good. We got this kicking up. The Mac, yep, Mac looks good. And then another one with ER approaching. Damn, all these are. Cisco did a nice move to the upside today, too. Not bad. Okay, what else? Peloton.
Hey, Cam.
Yep.
So sorry to keep interrupting, bro, but your TJX, man, I'm looking on the trading view. It's actually posting after hours 87 print, 87 even. So it's broken some levels. Just as a heads up on that.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Mhm.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see something. 87. So this. Wow, all right. So we 10 cents away. So we gotta keep our eyes. Thank you. Let me see. Oh, Peloton. Peloton. Oh, this is nice. Is it RDR receiver or what? I don't know. The green candle right off here. This, yeah, this is resistance, green candle. This is a nice little reversal that could come and play tomorrow. I would wait until we get above here on Peloton. This looks like a nice swing if it actually plays out too. So keep in mind on that. Might want to give it time. But I like Peloton. Yep, it's showing that it wants to bounce too on the R side here. This don't look too friendly, but the Bears been in already. We're tired of the Bears a little bit already. So let's see if the Bulls could put in another green candle tomorrow besides today. So Peloton upside. Looks like a RDR to me. TTGT. This is IV. Is at 31, 31. So it's here.
Yeah, Trading View shows a 3150 print right now.
3150 on Trading View.
On the hourly, Nami?
Yeah, on the yeah,
Happening at 50 minutes.
all time frames.
Gotcha.
Not the daily, but on the hourly. Everything that's just after hours and pre-market. So
Yeah, daily show, yeah.
5:15.
So yeah, this thing has IV move possibly to 32 or better. So we're gonna watch this one for the IV tomorrow. Most likely 32. AT&T. Nice AT&T. Nice strong candle today. Let me see how this. Oh yeah, we gonna catch up. Yeah, AT&T's ready. Communications above the 20. Above the 9 here. Yeah, I'll say right around here. I'll start looking at AT&T for longs. They definitely got 14 and a halves. So nice strong candle today on daily. This one we gotta wait till pre-market, of course. I mean not pre-market, sorry. They actually have it after. Oh no, yeah, I'm not bugging. Yeah, pre-market, right? Roblox. I think we're gonna catch the IV on this one. It's at a tight. Look at this channel it's been trading. Now, I'm actually bullish. I think it's gonna rip. So big watch tomorrow, Roblo. I'm bullish on ER. All right, let me see. You chose you clear. Yeah, I like this one too. Another one with a beautiful hold on demand. Multiple touches. MACD, RSI pivoting above each other. MACD looks good. I want to catch this one, go crazy around here. 85. So this kind of with airlines. This is like an airline service type of company. So let's see what happens with travel. I mean, um, airlines was moving good today, in my opinion. We was actually talking about it on Zoom while it was breaking out. It broke out, sold off, but it bounced and went right back up. Another ER that we could watch tomorrow, possible IV, will be Toast. So Toast went to a high of 2378. So this thing went to a high of 2378 after hours on ER. So give or take around here. So I'm watching it around here to go for the IV move. 2430. See if we go tomorrow. And I think I got one more and that's about it. Let me see. Yeah, two more actually, sorry. Groupon. Let me see. Groupon looks good. Okay, so Groupon is breaking a real big resistance, this area right here. So we just gotta wait till it breaks and hold. Mm, 80. Small account friendly. Everything looks good. So this looks good. And this looks good. Looks like it's bouncing. So Groupon's on watch. Nice hold and build above the 200. And last but not least, this one is another possible IV. Off ER. So right now, I think it says 100. Hold on. Yeah, 106. But it went to 103.50. Wow. All that after hours move. So 106. Okay. So I will look for the 105 calls. So 103.50 and it's at 106. Yeah, I'm probably gonna watch the 105 calls. Most likely because I know ACAM definitely been higher than 105 over here. Hold on, team. I'm trying to see what these candles back here doing. There we go. All right. So we got a resistance around here, obviously, which is 102.70. So that's what we're waiting for to crack tomorrow. Since it's already at 100, I would get the 102 calls and then I would obviously like take profit on it because it's an IV play. Now, if we rip past 103, then I go for 105. So big watch on ACAM tomorrow for IV. Any tickets you guys would like me to go over or y'all good?
I just wanted you to see Penn got news after I was with Disney.
Yeah,
So we'll
I
definitely
saw
have
Penn. Yeah, that's a watch tomorrow. So
Penn and DraftKings will be on watch tomorrow. So they could break that flag on the or not the flag. They could break the a little mini channel they created right there. And lo and behold, bro, they announced that shit right before earnings.
yep, yep. Definitely could watch Penn tomorrow. It's at 29, right? Or some shit.
Yeah, I think it gapped to like 14%.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then
28. All that volume came in after hours, huh? On that
yeah,
news.
man. As soon as they dropped the news, bro, I wish they did it to Disney more. But last but not least, I had VLO. Looking a little nice.
Yeah, it's just
Could
yeah,
double top here or it could break
some
my bro.
braids. Yeah. Yeah, very careful with this area though on Velo. Today we might have been the move and we missed it. But yeah, it could definitely continue higher once it breaks here, this double top pattern.
Thank you, Broski.
Yeah, no worries, bro. All right, gang, we on tomorrow. Hopefully we get some decent price action.
All right, Cam. Thanks, man. Really appreciate it. We'll see you in the morning.
All right, man. Have a good night, man. Everyone be safe.
You too,
Thanks,
bro.
brother.
All right,
Good
man.
night. Good night. Thank you.
All right, good night.